Well, happy Russian Christmas, everyone who may be celebrating that. Today we have a apropos beer for that theme. As you see, my Yak 9 is in the picture, of course. This is the Baltika number 6 porter, brewed in St. Petersburg, Russia. It's as you probably guessed by the name of Baltic Porter. And here's the bottle cap for that, written in Russian, and there's the 6 right there. Okay, and again we're using my Guinness pint glass. Sort of a little bit like one, doesn't it? So what? But because it's a porter stout kind of beer. Anyway, comes in at 7% alcohol by volume. Yeah. Okay, so going to the appearance, looks essentially the same as the Baltika Russian Imperial Stout I just had. Very pitch black appearing. You can't see anything through it except at the bottom where you see probably very dark ruby red. You can see the light shine through there. And certainly not as impressive a head as on the Imperial Stout. In fact, it's dying down to just a cap with a few frothy bubbles on it, but still a very nice. This probably shows it better. Yeah, very light chocolatey coffee head. Certainly very attractive. And ooh. Yeah, you can certainly see that the head going away now. Now focusing the bottle, I'll go to the aroma. Very much like the Imperial Stout that Baltika does. But I'm getting more gingerbread, more vanilla, chocolate notes on the smell. I can't believe that at 7% and the Imperial Stout at 10%. That this actually has a stronger smell than this one does. But that one had more of an alcohol tinge to it. This one doesn't, as you would expect, being 3% less. That doesn't come through at all in the smell. Neither are aged in bourbon barrels. There's a very subtle grain hop aroma, but the smell is drowned out by the gingerbread, vanilla, chocolate, maybe even a touch of like a coriander like you get in a Belgian ale in this, the smell. Okay, so let's go to the taste. Again, similar. Very similar. But this has a little bit more of that. The hops come through more on the more up front. And they permeate through more on this. Um, there's a nice lacing on the head, but as you can see, that quickly dies away. Yeah. And this has a more light to medium mouthfeel than the Imperial Stout does. Still a very solid beer. It doesn't feel as heavy as that. And it just finishes very with those gingerbread, chocolate, vanilla, and a little bit of that coriander citrus tang, or spicy tang I should say, towards the back of the mouth, the roof. So I think I'm just like the Imperial Stout. I think I'm going to give Baltika 6 Baltic Porter a 4.75 out of 5 as well. Okay, I wish you a Merry Russian Christmas with this, and cheers.